We welcome you to PataMarket's tutorial on how to insert property. Please click on the left side menu and click on Properties. Ensure you have enough Pata coins available. If you do, click on Start by adding new property. Please be advised, PataMarket was built to suit needs of property owners, where they can maintain all the properties and receive funds accordingly. Please be advised, property means building, and inside the building is where we will include rooms. Let's start with step 1, where you include the product name and title, its short title, its item summary, and the product and item tag. The product and item tag is what is used by the user to locate your property. Once you've included the full description, we go to step 2, where you include the type of property it is, its location, and its city. The location entered in the exact location is what will be sent to the user once they have purchased your services to rent one of your properties. In step 3, we include the original price. Price range refers to all the properties you have available, starting from the lowest to the highest. It can be both rental as well as office. We include the currency. And then in step 4, this is where you include the number of rooms available in your building or property. So please state it accordingly and correctly. In the last step, please include any YouTube link available, and then you can include a minimum of 3 images. Once you put the 3 images, click on Save Product. Please be patient as it takes time to store your data. As you can see, the property was successfully inserted. You can go to Insert Properties and click on Properties to view the building. As you can see, the building has been kept accordingly. You can either click on View Rooms or create a new property or building. For now, we will be using rooms. So click on View Rooms. As you can see, there are no rooms available. So we'll click on Create New, and this will take us to the first step, where we include the room's title, we include the room number, and we include the room type, if it's a rental or if it's an office space. Once you're done with that, you include the product or item tags and include the full description of the room. In the next step, choose the amenities available in that room and select accordingly. Stock is a number of bedrooms available inside that room. Capacity is a number of occupants that can stay in that room. You select the currency, the original price, and its format, if it's 3 months, if it's monthly, if it's weekly, or if it's per night. You choose accordingly. Lastly, you include the YouTube link and select 3 images or more, but we need a minimum of 3 images, and click on Save Product. As you can see, the room has been successfully added. To see it, click on the left side menu on Property. As you can see, the building is there. Inside the building, click on New Rooms, and you can see the room has been successfully added. You can either create new rooms inside the building or you can edit it. To view the rooms, click on Property. On the home page, click on the property you've just inserted. As you can see, all the information is available and the guests can book accordingly. Thank you.